Tunay nga, Francis at Catherine, marahil sa inyong buhay, naranasan na ninyo na talagang ang Diyos ang dahilan kung bakit kayong dalaway naririto. Siya ang tunay na mayroong dahilan kung bakit kayo'y naririto sa dambana ng ating Panginoon sa harapan naming lahat na kung saan ay sasaksi sa inyong pagtataling puso.
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you. So I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you, without you. I can't quit now, this can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same.